Hello, I'm Christopher Michael, and I'll be presenting my career search PowerPoint on investment banking and sales and trading. All right, starting off with my background. Investment bankers work with large corporations to raise capital. They don't work with the average person like commercial banks, but they work with the government or large corporations. They differ from commercial banks in that sense, but they also raise capital through mergers and acquisitions. They work to create new revenue streams and bring in investment to corporations that don't necessarily have an IPO. They're not in the stock market, but they still need money to succeed. And that's where investment bankers come into play. They buy shares of a company before they have their IPO, and then they sell it to other companies that take an interest. And sales and trading works in an existing market, companies that already have gone through an IPO. An IPO is an initial public offering. That means you can be in the stock market now. People can invest in you. But since they work in the secondary market, there's more variability. The sales bring in investors for the traders, and then the traders execute the ideas. They give the okay to execute, and that's how they make their money. They make profit through the traders while the sales bring in the necessary revenue to execute the ideas. Investment bankers, they need to know finance, economics, accounting, business administration, and have an MBA. MBA isn't necessarily needed, but past an analyst, it's highly valued. As you get past an analyst, you get less involved in, say, finance, and you get more focused into management. It leads towards business administration. The sales and trading goes to finance, economics, mathematics, statistics, or physics or engineering. Physics or engineering is mainly required for if you want to go to quant, but mathematics and statistics, you need a deeper understanding for trading, but you still need it for sales. Some people may think that you don't necessarily need it for sales, but you do, because you need to explain an idea to someone that doesn't necessarily know what they know the mathematics. They don't have a degree in finance, so you need to dim it down. Soft skills is very needed for any career you go into, but people often lack it going out of college, and that can set your career back. If FCCLA created a program to improve that, that'll significantly change children's lives. And networks, often it's disadvantaged. It's often insurmountable, but creating a network for students can make all the difference if FCCLA is willing to do that. Here are my career maps, and thank you.